Section 1.4 Liaison Rules. Basic Concepts. Rules for sound changes at the end of a word. In order to make liaisons, the following words will have the following pronunciation. If a word has S, Z, or X endings, it will be pronounced as Z. T or D endings will be pronounced as D. N, F, or L endings will be pronounced as N, V, or Y, respectively. The timing for using liaisons. The previous word ends with S, Z, X, D, T, N, F, or L, and the following word begins with A, E, I, O, U, or Y. Conditions for using liaisons. Number 1. After pronouns. Number 2. Single-syllable adverbs, conjunctions, and prepositions. Number 3. Numbers and nouns. Number 4. After determinators. Number 5. After preceding adjectives. Number 6. Idiomatic expressions. Conditions when liaisons cannot be used. Number 1. Linking complete clauses together. Number 2. After the word and, or the French word et. Number 3. After singular nouns. Number 4. After aspirated H's. Advice for learning French liaisons. Instead of memorizing the rules for liaisons, I strongly suggest you guys to listen to the recordings of French sentences and repeating them. This is the most efficient method for learning French liaisons for beginner-level learners. Next, we'll cover the French rhythm. See you in the next video.